Hello, I'm Nick Mersch, portfolio manager at Purpose Investments. A fun fact about me, I bought Bitcoin back when it was $3,000, put it on a cold storage wallet, and lost that in a shoebox. I'm still looking for the shoebox. Today we're going to be talking about cryptocurrencies and some of the most common questions that come up. Why might someone want to invest in cryptocurrency? There are a few solid reasons, especially if you're thinking long-term. First, crypto offers a different way to manage and grow your money. It's decentralized, so it doesn't rely on banks or governments. And a lot of people like the transparency and security built into the tech. Second, it can be a great diversifier. Crypto doesn't always move the same way as stocks or bonds, so even a small allocation can shake up your portfolio in a good way. And third, yeah, it's volatile, but assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum have seen huge growth over the years. If you believe the world's going to become more digital and decentralized, crypto is one way to invest in that future. At Purpose, we see crypto as a long-term play and something core to a modern portfolio.